quick process of forging a knife. I'll show you what we've got here. This is a round bar of steel. It's in this propane forge and it's in here getting hot. I know you can't see what's going on in there, but it's about 2,000 degrees in that forge right now. Now when this bar gets hot enough, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to start forging it under here. We'll try to show you what that looks like. We've taken it from a round bar and we've put it into this shape that's starting to look like a knife blade. Every time we get it hot, we're going to be making a little bit more progress towards that blade. We're going to get a little bit longer, a little wider, a little thinner, and every time it's just sort of a... When steel is this hot, it's like Play-Doh. It's like working with clay. It's just very moldable, and we can bend it left and right and up and down, and we can change our minds and go back and go the other way. So, we'll try that again. Do the same thing one more time. So we've gotten it a lot longer and a lot thinner this time. And now the next stage is to do one more thing to try to refine the shape so it starts to look like a nice knife instead of just a pointy bar. So that's what forging looks like. Forging is just a process of getting this thing hot and banging on it with a hammer until it looks like a knife. So we're not done with this thing. We've got a lot further to go to making whatever knife we're going to make. But this just shows you what it looks like to transform a piece of round bar, in this case, into a knife blade. From this point, we can still do so many things creatively with this knife. Now come on in this room with me, and I'm just going to show you what this knife... This is still very hot. This knife's still probably 1,400 degrees right now, so we're not touching it. But as you walk with me, keep it running. We'll just walk straight into the office. So this bar would get transferred and transformed into something that looked like this in the end. You see that? So in both cases, we're starting with a round piece of steel and we're forging it down. Once we've gotten it real close, there's lots of grinding and sanding and filing and fitting and all the other things that we have to do to make it into not only a functional tool, but something that's beautiful. So that's what forging looks like.